So today we'll be learning about the difference between is and equal to operator. So what is operator? So whenever there is an argument given to it, like suppose we have an integer a having the value of 1 and I have b having the value of 1, and now when I print a is b, so what does this give me is it gives me true, because in case of Python we know that integers acquire their own memory location. So 1 will have a memory location, and a, when we write a equals 1, a is tagged to that memory location. So suppose 1 is having a memory location at x000. This could be anything, I might be wrong as well, but this could be anything, and when we write a equals b, a is tagged to that memory location. And now when we write b equals 1, the same memory location is given to 1, because there is already a value assigned to that memory location. B is tagged to that location in this way. So what is happening is, eventually the case happens to be that a and b are pointing to each other and having the value of 1, and that's why a is b is getting printed as true. And what will be happening when I write when we replace is with equal to, so the case with that would be true also, because the value of both are 1 and 1. Okay, so now let's try a different case. Now supposedly we take list 1 equals list of supposedly 1 and 2, and list 2 equals list of 1 and 2. So now what should be the output of a is b, list 1 is list 2, and the output of list 1 equals list 2. So let's see, print list 1 is list 2. So this should give me the output. Okay, so first of all let's see now what's the difference between a list and an integer. So what happens in the case of list is not the same that happened in the case of an integer, because a list is a object which occupies a different memory location whenever instantiated. So now list 1 is instantiated over here, and that's why what would be happening is it would be having a memory location, supposedly x000. This memory location is assigned or tagged by this list 1 variable, but list 2 when instantiated won't be having the same memory location, because we are instantiating a new object, and list 2 would be having a memory location supposedly y00, and that's why, and list 2 is tagged to that memory location. And now when I run this code, it should be giving me answer as false, because the memory location of both these variables are different in case of a list, and yeah, it gives me answer as false. So what can we do to have the same memory location, and to get this kind of a case where we can have both of these variables tagging to each other and having the same value? So this can be done by using list 1 equals list 2. When we do this, what is happening is both of the variables are using so the list 2's memory location has been occupied by list 1, that is list 1 is now also tagging to the same memory location where list 2 was doing, and that's why now the output should be true. Let's see, and yeah, it's true as you can see over here. And in this way we can know that what is operator is doing. And when we type equal to over here and we comment out this line, now both of these objects are different objects having different memory location, and this is not the case, so I'll delete it. And now this should also be giving me the answer as true. Yeah, it's given, because the values contained by both of these lists are same, and that's why I'm getting the output as true. So this was the difference, this was the key difference between the is operator and the equal to operator. Thank you for watching.